Animal Explain, Mysteries of the Earth, Part 1. In this universe, there are moments so strange and unbelievable that they seem impossible to explain. Terrifying natural phenomena, mysterious events, and incredible wonders that reveal how powerful and complex our planet truly is. Some of these events are so shocking that if you saw them without video proof, you'd think they were fake. Today, you're about to witness living mysteries happening right before human eyes. Scientists still admit that we know only a tiny part of this planet. So grab your favorite drink, relax, and prepare yourself. Because today's journey is full of mystery, fear, and unbelievable discoveries. Welcome to Animal Explain. And now, let's begin. Chapter 1. The Breathing Forest. Deep inside the forests of Canada, imagine standing peacefully when suddenly the ground beneath your feet begins to rise and fall like it's breathing. A terrifying movement, as if a giant creature is trapped under the earth. At first glance, many people think this is caused by volcanic activity or underground pressure. But the truth is much stranger. During heavy storms, the soil becomes soaked with water, weakening the tree roots underground. When powerful winds push against the tops of tall trees, the roots lift the wet ground upward, then pull it back down again. The entire forest appears alive, a horrifying but fascinating illusion created by nature itself. Chapter 2. The Sand Waterfall. A viral video once shocked the internet. It appeared to show a giant waterfall of sand flowing through the mountains of Saudi Arabia. Millions called it a miracle. But the explanation is surprisingly simple. During sudden floods, huge amounts of muddy water mixed with soft desert sand rush down valleys at high speed. From a distance, the moving floodwater creates the illusion of flowing sand, one of nature's greatest optical illusions. Chapter 3. The Fire Craters. Around the world, enormous burning craters have appeared suddenly in the earth. Some people blamed aliens, others believed they were signs of the apocalypse. But scientists discovered a different explanation. Deep underground, gases like methane become trapped beneath frozen layers of ice. As temperatures rise, the ice melts and pressure builds underground. Eventually, boom! The ground explodes violently, creating giant holes in the earth. Sometimes the escaping gas catches fire and burns for years. Some of these burning craters still exist today. Chapter 4. Perfect snowballs. On certain beaches during winter, people discovered something unbelievable. Perfectly round snowballs covering the shore. Not made by humans, but created naturally. Scientists say this only happens under extremely rare conditions. Small grains of sand roll through wet snow, while strong winds and freezing temperatures slowly shape them into perfect icy spheres. Nature creating geometric perfection on its own. Chapter 5. The Tumbleweed Invasion. In parts of America, entire cities have been buried under rolling plants called tumbleweeds. Millions of dry plants move together with strong winds like a scene from a disaster movie. Roads become blocked, cars disappear, homes get trapped. But the danger is even worse. These dry plants burn extremely fast, turning entire areas into deadly fire zones. Chapter 6. The Second Sun. Pilots and mountain climbers sometimes witness a rare phenomenon in the sky. It looks like another sun glowing beneath the horizon. This phenomenon is called the subsun. It happens when sunlight reflects off floating ice crystals in the atmosphere at a perfect angle. For a moment, the sky looks like another world. Chapter 7. Sudden sinkholes. Imagine walking through a city, then suddenly the ground beneath you disappears. Massive sinkholes form when underground water slowly dissolves rock beneath the Earth's surface. Eventually, the ground collapses without warning. One famous sinkhole in Guatemala swallowed an entire factory building in seconds, a terrifying reminder that sometimes danger hides directly beneath our feet. Chapter 8. Floating islands. In places like Norway, entire islands actually move across lakes, real islands, with trees and plants growing on them. These floating islands form from thick layers of vegetation, roots, algae, and decayed organic material compacted together. Strong winds can slowly push them across the water. Sometimes they even block rivers and waterways. Chapter 9. Raining fish. Yes, there are real cases where fish fall from the sky. This rare phenomenon can happen when powerful tornadoes suck fish from shallow water and carry them for long distances before dropping them back to the ground. One of the strangest weather events ever recorded. Chapter 10. The spider invasion. In Brazil and Australia, entire regions have been covered in giant spider webs. Trees, houses, and roads wrapped in white silk. Some spider species live in massive colonies containing tens of thousands of spiders. In flood seasons, they climb to higher areas and spread giant webs for protection. Thankfully, most of these species are harmless to humans, even though the sight itself feels like pure nightmare fuel. Chapter 11. The Ice Tsunami. Imagine waking up and seeing a giant wall of ice slowly destroying everything in its path. This terrifying event is called an ice tsunami. Strong winds push massive sheets of broken ice toward land with incredible force. Trees snap, fences collapse, buildings get crushed. Slow-moving, but unbelievably destructive. Chapter 12. Glass beaches. Some beaches in California and Russia sparkle with colorful glass stones. It looks magical. But these beaches were once dumping grounds filled with broken bottles and trash. Over decades, ocean waves polished the sharp glass into smooth, shining stones. Nature transforming garbage into beauty. Outro, and this is only part 1. Because the mysteries of our planet are far from over. In part 2, we'll discover glowing beaches that shine in darkness, deadly underwater lakes hidden beneath the ocean, and volcanoes that erupt blue fire instead of red lava. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next journey. This is Animal Explained, and I'll see you in the next episode.